Welcome. If you're looking to show your current Roblox experience to everyone on the web, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the brand new update that lets you make your Roblox experience visible to everyone, right from your PC. Let's get started. First, open up Roblox in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have full access to all the settings. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is where you'll find all your account settings. Click on the gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings. This will take you into your main account settings page, where you can control everything about your Roblox experience. Next, look for the section labeled Privacy and Content Restrictions. Click on it to open up all the privacy options available to you. This is where you can control who sees your activity and what you share on Roblox. Scroll down until you find the Visibility and Private Servers option. Click on Visibility to access the settings that control who can see your current experience. This is the key step in making your experience visible to everyone. Once you're in the Visibility menu, you'll see a few options. To make your current experience visible to everyone, simply select Everyone. This setting ensures that anyone who visits your profile can see what you're currently playing or working on in Roblox. After you've chosen Everyone, your changes will save automatically. Now, your friends, followers, and even new visitors will be able to see your current experience whenever they check out your profile. And that's it. You've just updated your settings to show your current Roblox experience to everyone on the web. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can update their settings too. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with even more Roblox players.